A very warm welcome and Mbulunaka to all the listeners tuning in this morning and watching the live show on Ouch Palangi Show at VTFM. Ervinaka Dems, Ervinaka Eleanor.
Ervinaka.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone tuning in this morning.
Yeah. Ervinaka Dems.
Hey, good morning to you and everybody joining this morning. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful and sunny and windy.
It's very windy.
It's very windy.
Yes. Make sure when you come to work, bring a jacket.
Bring a jacket
Yes.
together with
Cardigan.
a cardigan also to your
Pom-pom.
Osophagus stepper.
Yeah.
Nadapat ni warning domo. Osophagus stepper together with if you need a water bottle of hotness.
Yes.
Tato may natapan ni kata-kata.
Very
Not forgetting
important.
your stocking.
Oh.
Your stocking.
Yeah.
Stokini,
Yeah.
trousers, gloves, and everything that can cater you
Yes.
through this kind of weather.
Yes.
Don't ever underestimate weather. Don't ever
Never.
underestimate
Yes.
cold.
Yes.
Cold is like a cloudy. It's forming
Yes,
and
it's
raining.
hiding.
Yeah, it's
Hiding inside your body.
collecting and collapse. Yeah, that's how there are some of us. Our
Yes.
kneecap
Yeah.
is not available.
Right.
Because of the weather
Yeah.
that's coming beyond us this morning.
Yes.
Don't worry, Nak.
Ha.
Vinaka Kim and Wakanda, Seven Sukamana Vitoli Katsara and Matang Diko and Vinaka, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. And we also say a very good morning to Pedi Ngapedi, Marama Matangali, in Nausoringo. Perton Vakatiko and Ministry of Justice.
Ho!
And no sorry.
Oh, from Lomebiti.
From Tabua.
Oh, from Tabua. Good morning to Pedi
Yeah.
and the family, and also to Mel Nadal. Was this one?
Yes.
This day?
Yeah.
Oh, good morning to you, and also to Mr. Se.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining
Yes.
this morning. Not forgetting to John Kumar, Hector Zing Jr. and the family. Izuro Lolo Rua Turangasau,
Yes.
Bula Benaka, and also to Simel New Matewalu, Bill Lebunamasi. Vitabaleka,
Yeah.
thank you very much for joining this morning.
Say Matakali Pedi Ngapedi saying happy Diwali to all the friends
Isa.
from Vonolev and Kandavu.
Isa, thank you very much to everyone for the Diwali celebration this year.
Yeah.
We are looking forward for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, many of our subdivision
Yes.
will be celebrating Diwali in different organization of department of
Yes.
different
Schools.
Yes.
Yes.
Lupa saya mataki Eric Sarah.
Karena to all the drivers and Matakago
Yes.
and we will Levi. Very keder ngon dibuli bakaki na bir na metaka takara matakadiko.
Many are running late this
Yeah,
morning.
Kantina
Yeah?
Sarah.
Many are running late this morning because of the change in the
Yeah.
weather pattern.
Right.
On Friday, it was hot. Hot weather. But today, it is very cold,
Yeah.
and the wind is very cold,
Yeah.
and the water is very cold.
It's
Please
very, very cold, eh?
make sure you take a shower.
This one no water this morning.
Yes.
You.
I am water.
I water.
Okay, today we'll be talking about the exotic flowers of the world, eh? Okay. Dems, look at this one.
Come. This
Okay.
is a flower. Come.
Explain the bird of paradise flower.
The bed of paradise flower.
Yeah.
It's a flower that grows between. They are the outcomes of the bunga.
Yes.
Right. Don't
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
They are siblings. They are brothers and sisters.
They are brothers and sisters.
Yes.
They are one in a family tree.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when you see them, but one thing that differentiate them,
Yeah.
they are flowers.
Right.
Yes.
The family contour,
Oh,
Yeah.
they are within.
Yeah.
Some of us we use this as our major beautification during a church
Yes,
or decorations.
Right.
If you have a floriculture,
Yeah.
so we can use this.
Got it.
It's the mirror is not
the
working.
flower.
Yeah.
So
It's
they
working,
are.
it's working.
It's working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's blacking.
Don't know what
Yeah.
Okay.
From the furnace.
Okay, and the birds of paradise, eh?
Yes.
What about frangipani?
Frangipani is a family, they are hibiscus.
Yeah.
But due to their name,
No, they are cousins. They're
Yeah.
not sisters, they're cousins.
Yeah, they are cousin.
Yes.
because their scientific name,
Uh-uh.
they change them from within they are. Because hibiscus, frangipani is different from hibiscus. But the thing is, they are depending on the day which their color is.
Right.
Yeah.
Some
Oh,
frangipani,
okay. Yeah.
they change their color in the morning, like
Right.
pinky.
Yeah.
In the daytime, it's
Right.
whitening.
Oh.
Yeah.
In the afternoon, they change it to red wishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, they change. Some of them are panci like that. Depending on the
Rampans.
weather.
Rampans.
Rampan siguro na Kapitalia.
Ay, lay.
Okay, anthurium flower.
And the flower, this
Go.
are kind.
Look at this one.
Oh, this is a family member of water lily.
Right, yes.
But
Very
they can
similar.
grow in a pot plant.
Oi.
They can grow in a pot plant. They are very broad and rough.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are very strong.
You can see it in the market.
Yeah. We can take them. You can carry two as a plate.
Yeah.
During eating, if we don't have enough plate,
Yeah.
it's a consequence like a coconut. When
Yeah.
we are in the forest,
Yeah.
you collab them.
Yeah.
Mambola,
Yeah.
you collab them, then you can use them for food. Not for food, for killing the food.
Okay. Dotongo,
Am I?
amaryllis flower.
Emerald is from MLA.
Yeah,
Emerald.
It's like a hibiscus.
It's like a hibiscus, but within them they call a bone.
Yeah.
The bone that running, the bone color.
Yeah.
They don't go color tong berkatuna reni sui.
Yeah, hindi na,
They
sir.
are bone ring scala plant.
Yeah.
They contaminate, but they are very
Boneless.
boneless makakana.
Yeah.
Na they are nanraun re malum.
Yeah.
Oh, very
Listen, right?
soft.
Very
Yes.
soft.
Yes.
Very soft. Then when you take it's like a roti.
What?
Kana roti. It's like a roti. When we used to it,
Yeah.
that same color of that plant.
Okay, there's
Okay.
another one here, native to Southeast Asia.
Yes.
It's known for its fragrant flowers
Right.
and ornamental value. Okay, this one is called the jasmine. Look at the jasmine.
Jasmine is coming from the rice.
Yeah.
As we can see. You see the jasmine flower?
Yeah.
They are watering flower,
Yeah,
but
they're
they
not-
got green leaves.
Yeah.
They depending on the weather they going through.
Right.
Especially to the rainy coat.
Don't
Kung
know
ano
about
bali bunauda.
Yeah.
Come.
Orchid.
Orchid is a kind of flower that grow. They can grow within themselves.
Yeah.
They,
Oh, no, them
they,
stop
they,
it.
they rely to somebody to grow to.
Yeah.
Some orchid they can grow from the soil.
Yeah.
Some they can grow in a tree to grow up.
Yeah.
Because they're trying to catch a photosynthesis process.
Yeah.
Will help them to digest their.
Oh, no. Totoka.
Ayaw,
Okay,
no,
there's
no,
another
no.
one. Okay, there's another one.
Ah.
Native to Europe and Asia,
Ah.
also known as May bells
Mabels.
or Our Lady's tears or Mary's tears. Eh? This one is called the lily of the valley. Okay,
Lily-
look at the picture of this
Ooh,
one. Small, very binaka.
Oh.
Beautiful one. Lily of the valley.
The lily of the valley. The lily of the valley we hear during the choir.
Yeah.
We hear from the church.
Yeah.
You are like the lily of the valley.
Right.
This is a lily. Okay, now what kind of lily?
Yeah.
They lily, but they are mostly growing on the valley.
Yeah.
That's why we name themselves Lily of the Valley,
Valley.
because they are only seen in the valley.
Yeah.
There's no other place on the earth you can see the lily of the valley.
Yeah.
But you can see in the lily
Yes.
Of the valley.
of the valley.
Passion flower.
Passion flower. This is a
Passion
kind of flower.
Oh, this one.
Passion
Nice
flower.
one, eh? Nice
one.
looking one.
They
Beautiful
are
one.
from the passion flower. They are coming from the passion fruit. see. That's na seni gandila.
Yeah.
The seni passion fruit.
Yeah.
It's like we use that during when we was young.
Yeah.
We use that they're like a trophy.
Right.
We put it.
Yeah.
And daw mbeti kata na sena.
Yeah.
And we use it for it look like a trophy.
Yeah.
A trophy for game or what.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir.
They are passion flower.
Wala na, tapi
It's
matagal
like
di sini kau ada buru-buru ko. Bougainville.
Bougainville is a place.
Nambua.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see the Bougainville.
This one. This
Oh.
one.
If you remember Mundawi,
It's the crawling one.
Oh, tamay makelina.
Yeah.
Tunggu mo tamay makelina. Dem, gusing mandan na wili pa naman.
Tuguro pa yaw to yun at siya. Daw, napamadala na katugo.
Yeah. Yeah, Bougainville.
Malo. Bougainville is a plant that
Right.
they are different kind of bougainville. Some green, some are green,
Yes.
some are red, some are blue.
Right.
They are bougainville.
Purple.
Yes.
Purple,
White, yellow.
white, yellow. They're
Different
different
colours,
kind
yeah.
of bougainville.
Yeah.
But they are because of the color they have.
Yes.
That's why they call bogan.
Oh.
Bogan means you are bugging them. Yeah. They are like a village. The
Wala sa
village,
singlet sina
Oh,
bag.
the village, the back is the village.
the village.
Yeah.
Short
They,
form.
o karto pa kayo na koron. Doon ay soko-soko nindo na matabuwal na bogan. It's called the bougainville.
Okay, tropical hibiscus.
Tropical hibiscus is a kind of hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
It's like a tropical cyclone. They can come within a season.
Yeah, right.
They are only grow for a season.
Just like the
Okay.
hibiscus
That's,
festival.
that's
Right.
like a hibiscus festival.
Yeah.
They are coming from a season.
Right.
Yeah.
A season of love, a season of contaminated, a season of If you see a tropical cyclone, we see people.
Yeah.
They are coming together to a place to continue. Meron may tiguan doon, kina meron mararoy.
Flame lily.
Flame
I love
lily.
this one. See, look at the flame
Flame
lily.
lily.
Right, this one here.
Flame lily is like a flammable.
Yeah.
They are the name according to what they are.
It's like a flame.
Yeah,
It's like
it
a
looks
flame.
like a flame,
Yeah.
yes.
You see the flame, underneath you see the boots.
Yeah.
Barang buka.
Yeah.
Dalam gori. Utura.
Yeah.
It look like a flammable.
Yes.
They are flower, but
Yes.
they're never going around.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are going within themselves.
Okay.
They
Wana
have
now.
they
Right.
together.
Yes.
Don't bobinak. Okay, last one.
Ha.
Dongandro.
Rongan is a kind of a plant they are sensitive.
Yeah.
When they sleep, don't ever wake them.
Yeah,
They
dinas.
like when leave them.
Yeah.
Right.
But when they sleep, they can catch it. It will like when somebody come back from grogging.
Yeah.
When you wake them, you
Yeah.
receive the punch.
Right.
When you so
Yes.
disturbing them,
Yes.
you'll see that. But one thing that can
Yeah.
wake them in a slowly smooth way.
Okay.
Yeah. Dongandro is a medicine.
Yeah, medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can cure the milk disease
Which
from the rongan. Yeah.
which
It's a
part of
very-
the Donganungan is the medicine? The thorn.
Larafui.
Hey.
If
Why
you see,
ikaw?
if you see a rongan sa may please respect. He's there for cure.
Show some love.
Show some love.
Jaflower.
The who's that?
Respect.
Respect them. Never buy on knee.
Terbilang saja they Dongan them.
Ito boleh binaka.
Yan, benak.
Yang benar ka Seray yang bakin di Lea.
Oh, maramoneta.
Oh.
Right.
Iya.
Respect.
Tamay Josie.
Yeah.
Tade sa tade nga.
Sasa ni boy ilikim yung bandi ng dinataka. Sili mo na lingay view.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, I'm calling. Contribute. Hey, so thank you very much for the love this morning. Everybody to awa minum mo betul-betul tokong ko. Filimon lingay view ana turangan ni balu way sinarusa sa tinapamadala ko ugari. Isa, mulare may nakumiwai. Mulare, thank you very much. Filimon lingay view.
He should be a professor. Biology professor.
Yeah. One day we'll become
Laisa Magun, benar ka? Benar masa belum mayan ra. Yan benar ka Laisa.
Howell. Warusi,
Hey.
Elistina Chukana.
Oh, benak Leobutu.
Iya. Pinabalik usara kayo tumikito sa taba. Iyo, antra kata. John Kumar, good morning. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Johnny. Good morning, John
So
Kumar.
you never met John Kumar
No.
in Singatoka?
No.
Hey, John, the Messi. Eleanor was in the West
Yes.
during the weekend.
I was in the West during the weekend.
So, mo tukul ko minta milemi.
Saturday and Sunday.
Well, next time.
Okay, one
Okay,
day.
berapa besar mata ni mata ka hat. Namuhat.
Nukulo,
like,
daw
matakan
mo
namu
na
share.
may nukulo may ngaw.
Ano na po?
Sa pinabalik usara, barara Joe, pinabalik bu kito mikito sa taba like hata kasi ata kanon talay na matabi na kwa
Right.
kada.
Iyo.
Ha.